gonna see me fresh out of bed. I'm gonna look terrible. I can assure you that there's gonna be hair flying out this way and hair flying out that way and the hair flying. Like, I am not gonna do nothing. Okay, I might brush my teeth. I want you to see what it looks like when I get fresh out of bed, just like this, which I know it's going to be everywhere. I'm not hairspraying or anything like that because that's just too much. No, I've not used hairspray since the 90s. And then I'll pull it out and show you what it looks like. And it's been a while since I've done this, so I'm kind of excited to see what it does with my 40-ish hair instead of my 14-ish hair. Alright, I'll see you. Wait, you ready? I'll see you just like this. Good morning. I just got out of bed after sleeping a good 8.5 hours. I am truly amazed that my hair is not like, it's been a while since I've slept with my hair in a French braid wet. So that's probably why it's not everywhere, but it just is a little crazy. I don't know what it looks like in the back. But alright, so last night, the only thing I did after I stopped recording was before I went to bed, I switched out hair ties because this one was soaking wet. So let me go ahead, turn around for you. By the way, my hair is still wet. Look how curly. Look at the gray, man. Alright, yeah, so my hair's still wet, so it is not going to stay like this. It is not going to stay curly. It is probably just going to go like this. That's what normally would happen. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take this air dry and I'm going to squirt it a couple times. Alright, I'm going to take my big tooth comb and sort of brush it through. Actually, I'm going to turn around and look at the mirror because I can't look at the camera and look at my hair, so. Alright, I switched my part up today. But that's what she looks like. Now, if I had waited for it to dry a little more, it probably would have dried all the way. But yeah, it takes my hair a long time to air dry. And I knew that it would still be wet this morning. I guess it's a tit for tat. I haven't been keeping my hair this long, but I've not had my hair cut since January either. So I need to have about that much, maybe, I don't know, that much cut off. Just because the ends are starting to die. And I like to keep my hair straight, but I don't use the hot iron or the straightening iron a whole lot. just because I don't like to put heat on my hair. It helps it stay healthier longer. However, most of the time, this part right here is this curly. But the part up here is not. And that's what the French braid I was hoping would help. Like, ooh. So, sometimes I would do this when I was in high school to get a different look if I was feeling like being fancy. Alright, well, I'm going to go and get my gray on. Hashtag going gray. Part 4 is where I talk about gray hair and going gray and the emotional health that goes along with going gray. My grays show a little more this way than if I were to part it the other side, I think. Didn't part it well. I guess it's a tit for tat.